Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanjana Arora, physiotherapist having Physios Limfit Wellness Center in DLF Phase 2 Gurgaon. Today every second person is having pain condition like pain in back, pain in hips, pain in knee, pain in neck, accompanied by and neck strains and followed by headaches, giddiness, vertigo, etc. Others suffer from degenerative disorders like gout, osteoporosis, painful shoulder, having uh, having degenerative diseases, and after accident they have restricted immobility, and a lot of pain. And after surgery of tendon, they usually range of motion is restricted. So these are all very painful conditions. Frozen shoulder. So the only thing comes in mind कि age is no more a criteria for suffering from these diseases. A person working in MNC or corporate of age around 22 or 30 or 40 lands up with same symptoms of a person having an age of 62. For example, a person can have cervical spondylitic symptoms like vertigo, pain in neck at the age of 16, and the same person can have same symptoms at the age of 62 due to degeneration. One can suffer from injury and one suffers from degeneration. So my question arises, when all these problems occur and what are the reason behind it? Is there any way so that we can avoid these kind of situations? So the thing comes in our mind कि we should have proper knowledge of the thing before going. And now we feel that in our society, the society is moving towards drugs. There is a lot of demands for drug. If you have pain, just go for a painkiller. If you are having pain and you are not able to sleep, the surgeon writes or the physician writes antidepressant medicine. So drugs demand is increasing. If you land up with some injury, the surgeon will go for arthroscopy for knee, arthroscopy for shoulder, a tendon repair, and all the premature surgeries are happening. So the solution behind to avoid these all situations lies in one term, that is matrix rhythm German therapy. It is a very advanced version of physiotherapy, and it has very good success rate. It is a extended arm for a physiotherapist. The recovery after using this therapy is lasts for very long, and if followed by proper nutrition and exercise and relaxation, we have very good results. So the matrix therapy is a rapid tempo in a therapy nowadays. So the principle after matrix therapy is that our body is made up of trillions of cells, and we have a very stressful environment. The cell rhythm is lost, the cells are oxygen deficient, and the extracellular matrix, the connective tissue present is in low quantity, and which leads to hardening of the muscles and later affects all the organs also. So we find that our medicines or the treatment done by the doctors is always a symptom based. If you have a particular symptom like fever, they give a paracetamol and like. But no one goes for the root cause or approaches the root. In spite, our body is made up of 45% of the cells, but we find that no one approaches for the cell therapy or regeneration or healing. So matrix rhythm therapy is approached basically based on the approach of cell biology. So it gives very good results. We expertise in following treatments like frozen shoulder, knee pains, back pains, all kinds of pains, and tennis elbow, foot, jaw pains, and varicose veins, and backaches, and discal herniation due to osteoporosis. And you can also contact us for the same therapy at our Physio Slim Fit Wellness Center, which is a complete 4-care center with a physiotherapy department, a functional studio with Zumba, Pilates and aerobics, an anti-age department and a weight loss management under one roof. We have a very unique concept. Thank you so much.